we're going to make a focaccia bread with some wild flowers and herbs and bits that we've found. Shall I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've done, it's just a bought mix. So you can get focaccia or ciabatta. So I've done everything it said to do, and it's ready to go in the oven. So what we're going to do is just decorate it and make it look like a beautiful picture of flowers, maybe bees and stuff like that. Yeah. So I've got some spring onions. These can be like long leaves of flowers. They're cool, aren't they?
You stick them in?
Yeah, just put them on top. No, lying it down. So like if you were drawing a picture. So I think we can push them in a little bit if they'll go in. What other ones have we got, Lo?
The flowers.
Do you want to pick off the petals?
Why?
Because I think the middle of the sunflower is going to be a bit too chunky. So
What's too chunky?
I don't think the middle would cook. So I'm putting, there's a bit of flat leaf parsley. Oh, I'm going to put these pansies on.
I'm going to put it on the grass. Yeah?
Yeah, put it there. Look, I got these as well.
Yeah.
How pretty is that?
Gorgeous.
That's
I'm going to keep that too.
You can't keep it. Let's see, is this going to
Look,
work?
this one.
That's gorgeous.
Put it down and just so pink, so people think there's a like a flower growing on it.
Very nice. I need like a middle bit for the butterfly, so I might use that.
Ah,
Do you
wow.
like it?
Yeah.
And then
Look, I did another one on there.
nice. So these are sage flowers. So I might put some here.
Where should I put this? On the ground?
Yeah.
Next to the other plant. Yeah?
Yep. Lovely. We're saving the blackberries for other recipes.
Oh.
So this is just a mixture of things. Look at these borage flowers.
Look.
Lovely. We put some borage on. These are like blue stars, aren't they?
Yeah.
I might put some in the sky. We've got the mallow flowers we picked. So push them in a bit just so they stick down. Yeah?
Okay. Look at this.
That's it, yeah. And then
You
I'll
can see the beautiful colour.
yeah, and press it against the bread, the dough. So what have we got? Crocosmias.
You mean the dough, don't you?
I meant the dough, yeah. Oregano, flat leaf parsley, spring onions, dianthus, crocosmia, borage, pansies.
There's no space for this.
Okay, well, if there's a smaller piece, go for a smaller one and it might fit in there. It's sticking to it, which is nice.
Wow, it's beautiful already.
Yeah, I've got these nettle seeds, so I'm going to sprinkle.
Wait, I haven't finished.
It doesn't matter, you can do it at the same time.
Ta-da!
It's looking so pretty.
Okay.
Nice. Well done. Beautiful. Should we stick it in the oven? Okay, ready? This is super hot. Shall I show you?
Whoa!
It's really pretty.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Wow.
That's how I would do it.
Is it? Mm-hmm.
Can I choose a space and then you cut it? And let's do it together then.
Well, if we cut this top bit, right, I'll turn it that way.
Yum.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Yummy. Try some.
Mmm.
Try some.
Have you got any flowers on yours? Mmm.
2.
You've got the mallow, and you've got the dianthus.
Like the fluffy bit. Fluffy.
That's lovely.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
We hope you'll have a go at cooking some of these recipes. And you can
will.
see how easy it is that we can make it.
We hope you actually will.
We hope you actually will. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.